Namo Buddhaya, dear Dhammo brothers and sisters, a very good afternoon again. I'm with you with a new video. My dear friends, as you all know, today is Sunday, and as you know, Sunday is a holiday. On every Sunday, I usually spend more time thinking about the Dhamma. So today I felt in my heart that I should make a video to inspire and encourage, especially our local people. That's why I'm here, just to share with you all the knowledge, whatever I have, because Buddha said to share everything with others. So I'm also just came here to share with you all. Many of our Buddhist brothers and sisters, and even the villagers, do not go to the temple for Sunday Dhammo gathering. So I thought maybe meeting through video is the best idea, at least for now, to connect and remind each other about the fact of the Buddha. So, the Buddha once said in Pali language, Dhanansa samosaryansa metta sitansa bhavaye etham buddhana sasanam. This is really a beautiful quote from the Lord Buddha. That quote you can easily find in the page number 224 in the Dhammapada. This means practice generosity, live in harmony, and develop a mind at loving kindness. And this is the teachings of the Buddhas. My dear Dhamma friends, real development is not just about money, big roads, or tall buildings. True development is when people share what they have, when we live honestly without harming one another, and when we look at each other with compassion and, of course, kindness. So, I'm just a simple Buddhist practitioner. I'm not an expert, but I'm doing whatever I can at my own level here in my village. I believe that if all of us keep the same mind of helping, of kindness, of compassion, then everywhere there would be true inclusive development where no one is left behind. You know well that the Chakma Buddhists are still far behind in many areas, especially like education, awareness, outside knowledge, and also in practicing Buddhist moral values in daily life. That's why I personally started a volunteering website. Through this website, many foreign volunteers have already visited us long before. And it was so beneficial for the students and also for the villagers. I thought if foreign volunteers come, our people can learn so many things like better communication, modern education methods, life skills, even simple awareness about health, environment, and global culture, and also understanding, etc. So, in the year of 2016, I have established the Mahabodhi Residential School with full of hard work day and night. In our school, volunteers can teach English, share creative learning, and inspire children to dream big. In our temples, volunteers can share meditation practices, cultural accents, and help us strengthen moral values in daily life. In our community, volunteers can bring awareness about environment, women empowerment, unity, and share fresh ideas that open the minds of the villagers. This is my personal idea and personal thoughts. This is why I try in my small way to contribute, especially for educating underprivileged Chakma children and giving them both general education and Buddhism moral guidance through reasonable fees from the parents. Every day I think what more can be done for the coming days and how we can build a stronger, kinder community. These are some of my small activities that I have been doing since long. Still I am doing. Some people think only monks are responsible for the Dhamma, but that is not true according to my knowledge. Monks shows us the path, but it is also our duty as lay devotees to walk on it and to protect it. In the time of the Buddha, great lay supporters like all of you know, Anathapindika and Visakha, walked hand in hand with the monks, and that is how the Dhamma spreads so widely around the world. So let us stand together, monks and lay people, villagers and friends, local and foreign, to build a society where there is no hate, no division, but only peace, compassion, and of course, unity. May you and your families be blessed with health, happiness, and compassion always. And my dear Dhamma friends, far and near, if you find this video meaningful, please like it, share your thoughts in the comments, and pass it on to others so more people can benefit. And of course, don't forget to follow this page for daily motivational and Dhamma inspired videos from this page. Thank you, Namo Buddhaya, and wishing you all a peaceful and harmonious life. Thank you again. Have a great day.